Hey everybody, it's me, Steph Foxy, and today got my Gamegrumps merch. Check it out. Got my shirt. Ooh. Got my 2 books. I can't wait to read them. And my pajama pants. Heck yeah, man. They look awesome. Hey, what do you think? You got pockets. Heck yeah, man. I love it. They're comfy. I can't wait to read these. I don't want me to read these on the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to go check out the Gamegrumps merch on the link. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright? Love ya. Bye.